So welcome to the third section of this volume, Master the Subject. This section is going to be all about subjects. We'll see what subjects are and how they act as hybrid. We'll then see a variety of subjects like behavior subject, async subject, and replay subject. We'll then learn about multicasting and how to automate subjects. And then finally, how to stop a shared execution. So let's start with our first video, subjects as a hybrid. In this video, we are going to see how we can share an observable to multiple observers and how we can achieve this using subjects. So let's get started. So let us start by creating an observable. We'll call it main observable and we'll make it an interval of 1 second and we'll take the first 5 values. Now let's create 2 observers to get data from it. We'll first create our observer A. Remember, an observer is nothing but an object that has 3 functions: next, error, and complete. On next, we are just saying A next value is value. On error, we'll say A is error, and on complete, we'll just say A is complete. So now we can quickly subscribe to this and check. Now if I run, it's working. Now let's make another observer called observer B. I'll simply copy observer A and call it observer B. I'll change the next function, the error function, and the complete function. Now if we subscribe to observer B also, and let's run, we can see the both are executing and getting the values at the same time. Now say we wanted to have our observer B start after 2 seconds. So we can simply put it in a timeout. Now our timeout will take a function. And here we can call the subscription for observer B. And let's call it after 2 seconds. Now let's clear the console and let's run this. So now A is getting 0 and 1 and then 2. And then after B, again starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we can see both the observers are executing the observable independently. A starts from 0, 1, 2, and then B again starts from 0. What we wanted is whenever B starts, it takes the same value as A is getting. So now, for our observer A and our observer B to share a mutual execution of the main observable, let's create a subject and let's see what it is. So we can create a subject by simply calling new rx.subject. So subjects are really special, and they are special because they can act both as an observer and an observable. And let's see how. We'll use a subject to subscribe to the main observable. Now let's use this subject and subscribe to observer A and subscribe to observer B. I'll clear the console and let's run. We can see A getting the 0, 1, 2, and then it starts sharing 2, 3, 4, and completion together with B. So here we can see that observer A and observer B are sharing the same execution of the main observable. And this is because we are using a subject. Now if we look closely on this line, our subject is behaving as an observer. But on the other 2 lines, this and this one, it is behaving as an observable. So subjects are basically a hybrid between an observer and an observable. So as subjects have properties of both observer and observable, they help us bridge between the main observable and the subsequent observers like observer A and observer B.